Heal up all of my fans them worldwide. See? Barbara in Australia, big up yourself, me making some turbot soup, skin soup. Your dumpling this time, cause I don't know if any other person love dumpling like Barbara, seeing in Australia. So big up yourself, Barbara. A long time you know you subscribe to my channel and you've been watching the videos them. So big up Australia, big up everyone in Jamaica will find this. And in the Caribbean also, Europe, America, Canada, Africa, Asia, Central and South America. Welcome each and everyone. Well, so me pepper tree, so me drop pepper, me do the turbot skin soup. So, as soon show no inside my pot, see? So special big ups and special welcome to each and everyone, and thanks for all them people who always love to comments on my video. You know your name. See, because we having a little challenge to see who will do the most comments on my channel. It's a good look. So big up and bless up. I just planned this one today. But guess what it is? I'm not gonna tell you what it is. Make a guess. I know Cecile gonna take a guess. Casey gonna, that is Cathy, gonna take a guess. Lenora gonna guess. Tetty gonna guess. I don't know who else, if Betty gonna guess, and Claudette and whoever else want to participate. We appreciate your comments. So we'll come again to the kitchen. Kojak Country Lifestyle Kitchen. Turbot skin soup. Pata bubble. See there? Patty in the run over. So yo. This one show no me do all shot it at the same time again. See them my fans. Turbot skin soup. Yellow yam pum pum. Yam cocoa. No carrot. Be working it what to me have, you know. I tell you this scent. Wow. In the country breeze, the scent is amazing. Chang soup, the man I used to this type of thing. Powerful. Powerhouse soup. Very nice, man. Who drink some? Will not shame. Leave a comment. Don't be afraid to leave a comment. See, quite clean. Clean soup, natural. So in it we have garlic, scallion, I will drop a little thyme, oregano, just natural season. Zin, no salt, the noodle do it already. It's already salt with the noodle. Pum pum yam nice, dumpling nice, cocoa nice. Some people wouldn't cook without carrot and pumpkin and Irish. I never got the time to drop Irish. I could have dropped Irish, but I'm gonna rock with what I have. And I could drop carrot too, but I'm gonna rock with what I see me have. Pecan rich. Butter bubble, 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 bubble. Oh God. OMG. Nice one, my friend. You want it? Let me know if you want it. Well, you'd have that with. God bless country, although we have get that bad hurricane, we still find food. Everything was lost. Yes. my friends, thanks again for watching. Please leave a comment. You can share, subscribe, big up, and bless up. Me say that hard-working man from rural Jamaica, Koja country lifestyle. Yes, family. More bless up, more blessing.